नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Human beings always need a shield, always need a cover, always need a curtain to cover themselves. Husband and wife cannot have sexual relationship in public. But nowadays, you go to nightclubs, you go to any parties, any beaches, even in train stations, you see what is happening. People are doing the, the activities which they should do in private, but they are doing it in public. Then if somebody misbehave, somebody is drinking alcohol, somebody is in drug influence, and they do something, and then it cause problems in the society, and you are encouraging wrongdoing in the society. Something that should be done in private, you are making it public. These are your private parts which are you are showing in public. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned several times that woman is something that is very precious. The personality is very precious. It is not something to be revealed in public. Like if there's a diamond or a gold jewelry, you're gonna cover it up and then put it in a safe, and then you're gonna put your safe in your basement, and then you're gonna still lock it and put a security alarm on top of it. But if you think your women are so valueless that you can leave them open in the society, and you can leave your daughters, your sisters, your mothers, your aunts, your nieces in public, like as a public property, then that increases rapes in the society. That increases frustration in the society. There is too much pornography business going on. People are frustrated. But it's our job also to lower our gaze, not to see. Even somebody is going naked, we should lower our gaze. But this is our primary responsibility as a human being. If you look at few decades back, women used to be covered regardless of which religion or faith they belong to or which culture they come from. It is not considered good that woman is going without clothes. Nowadays, it's a fashion. you know Even you look at Miss World, Miss Universe contest, even like ordinary girls, and all this is happening just to make extra money, just to get an extra attraction, just to look different, because differentiation is critical and sameness has no value. That is the basic definition of branding. So if you look at principles of marketing, branding is very important. And nowadays, any product, you can make it a brand while making it different. But you are human. The purpose of your creation is not this world. This world is just an examination center. If you will live your life according to the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this world, in the next world, you are free to do whatever you want. Nobody can say anything. There's no restriction on you. There is no limit on you. In this world, we have limitations. And there is no limitation we have in the next world. But we are acting as animals. Cats and dogs, they don't need to wear clothes. We are following the same. We don't need to wear clothes. Even any other animal to perform their sexual desires, they don't need to be in private. They can be anywhere. Same thing we human beings are following. So we need to see which path we are going. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has created us to the best of his creation. We are the climax of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's creation. But if we have to follow the same way as animals act, as animals can stay without clothes, animals can do everything in public, we do the same thing, then what's the difference between us and them? So please kindly reevaluate and think about our position. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولقد ذرأنا لجهنم كثيرا من الجن والإنس لهم قلوب لا يفقهون بها ولهم أعين لا يبصرون بها ولهم آذان لا يسمعون بها أولئك كالأنعام بل هم أضل أولئك هم الغافلون